Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Myhumana app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Myhumana is a mobile app designed to help users manage their healthcare and insurance services efficiently. The app provides access to plan details, claims tracking, digital ID cards, appointment scheduling, prescription management, and wellness resources. Users can also securely message their providers, receive important notifications, and view personalized health information all in one place. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated for its clean interface, easy navigation, and centralized features. Users can quickly check claims, manage appointments, and track prescriptions on the go. Many also like the convenience of having digital ID cards and wellness resources directly accessible from their phone. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users have reported occasional syncing issues, and certain features may feel limited compared to using the same services via desktop. The experience also depends on your specific health plan, so some features may vary or be unavailable depending on your coverage. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Myhumana app may be worth using if you're looking for a mobile-friendly and centralized way to manage your healthcare and insurance. It excels in convenience, accessibility, and secure communication with providers. However, if you prefer desktop tools or need access to features not included in the app, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.